What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making sweet and sour Chilean sea bass. There's bones in here. I'm going to cut it out because of you.
Where'd you get the fish from?
I got it from Chinatown. There's not much bones in here. But I'm going to cut out the middle piece of bone. It's not going to be a lot of food today, Colvin. Oh no.
Yeah.
I wrapped it earlier. See a lot of water coming out. It was frozen. Make sure that it's...
That's the middle part where all the bones are?
Yeah, see, this is the spine. This might have a little bones in here, but it's soft bones, not bad. Since this morning, it still have water coming out. But it's okay, we have flour. It's not going to be splashing. You can use cornstarch if you're gluten intolerant. My little toy, look up the egg. Instead of putting white pepper instead of black pepper and salt on the fish, I'm going to put it in the flour. It's almost like flavoring the flour. To put it in flour, that would be a more crispy, and then put it in the egg and put it back into the flour. I'll do that, then you can come back. I don't think I have enough oil. I'm just going to sort of shallow fry it.
Is that vegetable oil?
Yeah, we always use this Japanese one. Okay, let it get heat up. Then we'll put the fish in it. And then make the sauce. We can have dinner. I'm going to show you how to make the decoration. Then you can just cut the tip, turn it, cut it one more on both sides. And then you put it in ice water.
Why?
I don't know. I'm going to put it in. Then we'll open up.
How long?
Yeah, you know, you start opening up already. It won't flash because of flour, okay? I think it's hot enough. Don't put too many pieces in at one time because it lowers the temperature so much. Don't just drop it in. Slowly.
Why? I know splash.
Just simple physics.
How long do you cook it for?
Not too long because this is fish. I already took it out earlier. It's not really frozen that thing. Okay, I'm going to turn it. See? Beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
2 minutes on one side. Music to Colvin's ear. Dinner is going to be soon. I'm going to pack this here and put the third piece in it. The oil pretty hot now. Okay. The other one should be ready to take out. And then this is a sweet and sour with a pineapple. You see the pineapple I cut out? Let it cook until it's golden. When you deep frying things, it always looks darker when it come out. Pretty good looking right now. Okay, I'm going to peek. Okay, that I think it's done. Put it on paper towel, and I'm going to put more fish in it. I'm going to put. Poor Joy's going to have the bone.
You like the bones, sure.
Not that much. This fish is pretty expensive.
It looks expensive.
This 2 pieces is over 20 bucks.
That's why I thought you got at Italy.
No, I bought it in Chinatown. Oh, look at this. I think now it's faster because the oil is hotter. Okay, let it cook for a minute or two. This flour, don't put it in your drain. It's going to be not good. Use your towel that you're discarding.
Because that'll clog your drain.
That definitely causes your drain. You can use new towel, but this is going to throw away. Leave as little as possible in here. Wow, this time is so much faster.
It's probably hotter.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to pull it off. And then I'm going to pick it out. I'm going to put the pan in here and make the sauce. 1 tablespoon. This oil is very hot. Put some shallot.
It's like onions.
Yeah, it's sweeter. I need to mix a thickening sauce too. So I'm going to lower the heat here. I want it soft. I don't want it brown. See, good thing about small kitchen. Everything. No, everything within reach. That doesn't guarantee you find everything. 1 teaspoon. Sugar, we need to adjust because 1/4 cup of water. We'll fry it evenly and then cook it. The sauce is going to be like 1, 2, 3. The longest to take is cooking the shallot. quarter teaspoon of sugar. We're going to taste the sauce before because if we're going to put vinegar in it and it's going to be a little sour. Is this soup yet? Okay, let it cook for 1 more minute because I want it to be soft. Put some wine vinegar in the ketchup.
That's just straight ketchup.
Yeah, I'm going to turn it off because it's going to definitely splash. See, I drained this. Just stuff it in. Don't talk too much, Joyce. You can tell you're going to like it. Put the juice on the pineapple. When it boils back, then I put the thickening sauce. And that's the sauce. We need to taste, see whether does it need more sugar. It almost doesn't need the thickening sauce, but hey, it's more sauce. You taste it. I don't think you need any sugar.
Okay.
And I can turn it off and play it. When we were kids, we liked the pineapple more than whatever we put in there.
It's like candy, right, Joyce?
Yeah, they never put enough. That's why I put this much in it. We are making up for lost time. I will put it on paper to make it. See that?
Oh yeah.
And I'm going to decorate. Right? Picture time.